Hi, Andreas from Toddle here, and we are rolling out more features for our theming that we're working on at the moment. This time is going to be font sizes. So you can always select element in Toddle and define its font size in any sort of valid CSS unit. You can use pixels percentage. We prefer rem, so we could set this to 3 rem if we want a fairly large heading. But now we also added this button over here that allows you to use the theme variables. So let's go and check out our theme here in Toddle. I'm going to scroll down to font size here. And let's go and add a new one. Let's call it font size small. And I'm going to set that to 0.75 rem. And let me add another one called font size large, and we'll say 1.24. We're going for rem, right? You can add these. Let's actually add a font size base just for 1 rem, right? And we can drag these around if we want them organized differently. We can also add what we call Hiats here. Variables, so essentially you can add a style variable that points to one of the other ones. So this is very useful if you want like to define first your basic set of font sizes, but then maybe you want some like login, or let's say hero button font size, right? And then actually we want to set that to be font size base, right? So this sort of allows us to change this hero button font size like we can change any one of these values, and then it'll also change this one, right? So now that we've got this, let's go back to our home page. And now when I select this, we have our little button over here with variables, and I can now pick which one I want. And I'm going to want a font size large for this one, right? So this is a really nice way to sort of organize yourself, get yourself into a habit of creating your own design system, and let you really easily stick to that, and also let you create these elaborate themes that apply to every part of your application. So we're very excited about rolling that out. We're gonna have a lot more features around theming coming out very soon, so stay tuned.